Hello, Hers.
Hello, sir.
How are you today?
Very fine, sir.
I welcome you again in our ongoing series of group discussions on various topics,
Thank you, sir.
where we take topics which are related with national, international level, and which are impacting our daily life.
Yes, sir.
So today's topic will be out of two topics. You can suggest education or healthcare system.
Sir, I suggest health.
Okay, health. So health is wealth, as you know.
Yes, sir.
So in our country, lots of money is spent every year when government brings its proposal for money spending
Yes, sir.
in budget.
Yes, sir.
They spend some money on healthcare,
Yes, sir.
and every citizen of India gets something towards his health.
Yes, sir.
So to make the better health system, government has two things. One is private sector.
Yes,
One
sir.
is our government sector.
Yes, sir.
So there is much confusion among people that which sector performs better. So government versus private sector, which gives better facilities,
Yes, sir.
care of people,
Yes, sir.
research, and serving the nation and serving people.
Yes, sir.
So let's explore the topic.
Yes, sir.
So which side do you prefer?
Sir, I prefer a government hospital because we all know that our country, maximum of people are from middle class, poor, middle class and poor. So they doesn't afford any private hospital. So
They
they are completely depend on government hospital. So I prefer government hospital, sir.
Okay, that is wonderful thing from your side. But I want to say that in the sense of number, there are lots of government hospitals.
Yes, sir.
But nowadays, trend of private hospitals is going very well.
Yes, sir.
In every city, you may see lots of big hospitals are coming up.
Yes,
They
sir.
are giving lots of services.
Yes, sir.
So let's find how government sector is doing well or lagging behind, or how private sector is doing well or lagging behind
Yes,
on the parameter of some things. First, let me ask you on the sense of service, which serve the common man, government hospital or private hospital?
Sir, in private hospital, they don't serve very well because they are profit oriented.
Okay.
That's why I prefer government hospital. They are doing for social welfare. For that, so
On the
this-
same point, I want to say, as you said, they don't serve common man. Yeah, private hospitals serve common man, but as you know, everything has a cost.
Yes,
Private
sir.
hospitals can't be run with charity.
Yes, sir.
Because they require machinery,
Yes,
they
sir.
require lots of staff.
Yes, sir.
So they also serve the common man,
Yes, sir.
and they bring the facilities which are sometimes not in government hospitals, right?
Yes, sir.
So on the sense of uh, people value, like how people are treated emotionally, communication wise in government hospitals.
Sir, in government hospital, first I tell you that they are doing for social welfare. All the doctors are very well educated and have passed out from and very well educated means, and they understand the emotional feelings of the patients, and they doing for welfare work. They take a lot of care about him. They suggest time to time medicine, what to do.
But on the other hand, I have seen many times in government hospitals, there is a very long queue of people.
Yes,
They are waiting for doctors, and doctors are, crying on them. They don't talk with the proper sense. They, shout at patients
Yes, sir.
who are already suffering.
Yes, sir.
But on the other hand, in private hospitals, you see the staff is very much humble. They talk with sense, and they guide them time to time.
Yes, sir.
So the behavior with the patient is very good in private hospitals.
Sir, sometime in government hospital, what was happen? The doctor was frustrated because of sometime they have to work 24 hours, 36 hours in Corona times. Government hospital have to work to continue on for 2 days. So they're angry. So it is the nature.
Okay.
But when you see the private hospital, they are profit oriented. Sometimes they give you so much expensive things which are not needy. For example, you need one bottle of glucose, but they will give you two bottle. So that they can earn more. But in government hospital,
You mean to say they have become greedy?
yes, sir.
See, one thing I appreciate about government hospitals that really they did a commendable job I really appreciate that in Corona time,
Yes, sir.
lots of even doctors and paramedical staff died,
Yes,
but
sir.
they did not stop serving the common man.
Yes, sir.
But one thing comes to my mind that many times there are lots of facilities and machinery which is
sir.
not available in government hospitals, that is in private hospitals.
No,
As
sir.
you said that is expensive, but they have to buy costly things like big machines and big investigative tests also. So when they charge something, it is up to the person if he can afford something.
Yes, sir.
Then he should go to private hospital, because private hospitals are not catching people that you come to my hospital. They treat the patient who go there, and they are not greedy because it has become costly these days.
Sir, when you talk about machinery, I think all the machinery which have which they private have, they also have government have,
Okay.
and they do ilaj and give services at very cheapest rate. But at other side, in private hospital, they give so expensive. So middle class man, it is very expensive to go there.
They can't afford it.
They can't afford it. So at many businessmen, they used to go there.
See, one more thing is there. Like I would like to drive your attention towards one more aspect. Like we have some big hospitals in Delhi, Jaipur, Gurgaon, which private hospitals. They are attracting foreigners also.
Yes, sir.
And these foreigners are coming, so they can't talk in Hindi or English. So even Arabic and other countries,
Yes, sir.
people are coming. So they give money to the translator, a person who can talk to the doctor and patient. So in this way, private hospitals are also generating jobs. So do you think is it possible in private
Sir,
government
it
hospitals?
sir, it also happen in government hospital also. You have listened the name of AIMS Delhi, where all the VIPs of India, it is a government hospital. All the VIPs of India and other foreigner are go there, used to go there.
Okay.
So we say that government hospital are perform better as compared to private hospital.
But one thing that we have seen that they have not very good infra security. Even we have heard that during operation, even current goes in government hospitals, and sometimes we have seen some news in newspapers that dogs are found in wards. They can bite somebody. So such security and mismanagement is so much poor in
Sir,
government
it is
hospitals.
only few hospitals only. I say that today we are in Rohtak. When we see our PHI, it is completely full of AC. Their infrastructure is very good. All the facility are provided here. At that level, the private hospital are not able to provide this. Sir, it is was happened that the dogs have in government. It is only few hospitals.
Rare cases.
Rare
But
cases,
see,
sir.
these rare cases are never in private hospitals. They have very good trained staff. And in sense of emergency, when there's a patient, you take to him to the government hospital. What they say, okay, come tomorrow, come next week, and they give date of X-ray, ultrasound, or any CAT scan or PET scan. That after 2 months.
Sir,
It means a person cannot wait for 2 days, they give time for 2 months. But in private hospitals, as you go, they say and see your emergency. According to your emergency condition, they prescribe or tell you what to do. So in fast and emergency conditions, private hospitals are doing very well.
Sir, when you see the government hospital, there was a separate ward, emergency ward.
Okay.
Sir, in that, if you are a serious condition, they will take care you very well, give medicines, take care of you, do your operation. So many things are there. Sir, I not agree that they give a lot of time. Sir, in government hospital also.
Okay, they work according to the case.
Yes, sir, they were according to case.
See, okay, you may be right on your point, but one thing I want to point out that these days private hospitals are coming with foreign collaborations.
Yes,
Means
sir.
they invite foreigners,
Yes,
they
sir.
talk to the foreign universities, research-based assessments are there.
Yes, sir.
So whenever they need somebody to consult with, they can consult.
Yes,
But
sir.
in government hospital, the doctors are bound with the government rules and regulations.
Yes,
They
sir.
can't go beyond that one. And government hospitals have lack of funds. Means if they require a machine today, then government will go for tender. It may take 1 or 2 years.
Yes, sir.
And even if the machine comes,
Yes,
a machine for 4 crores rupees, it comes in a government hospital. There is not a technician there who requires only 18,000 rupees per month. They don't hire the person. So such thing is also there in government hospitals.
Sir, you talk that they collapse with foreigners. In also government, the doctors
Collaborate.
in also in government hospitals. One of my father friend is doctor in PGI Rohtak. He go many time in America and other foreign country to learn from there. So they are very well experienced, and after they come in back in government hospitals and take care of people and give their services.
Okay.
So we see
One question I would like to ask you: do you think we have requirement of private hospitals also?
Sir, yes, sir. Both we
Okay,
have.
okay. So what can be done to promote the better health? Like you said something about government hospitals,
Yes, sir.
and I told some good things about private hospitals.
Yes, sir.
After all, both are serving the common man.
Yes, sir.
Be the rich, be the poor, be the
Yes, sir.
middleman.
Yes, sir.
So all people are our family members
Yes,
or
sir.
our national countrymen.
Yes, sir.
And a person, if he can afford, he should go to private hospital also.
Yes, sir.
So, what we can do for better treatment and better healthcare for common man?
Sir, the funds provided by government we should increase, and the rate of in private hospital the rate are very expensive. We
Okay, they should be lowered.
Yes, sir. And the first thing is that health is wealth, and we should work more on medicine in research. In research, we have to done more things, and when our country we united and say that to do exercise daily, so that we can use minimum use of hospitals.
Okay, you mean to say we don't need hospitals if we
Yes, sir.
stay away from the disease.
Yes, sir.
So, how to live a healthy lifestyle? Wonderful, Hers. I really liked your idea, and I appreciate that we need collaboration of government and private hospitals.
Yes, sir.
After all, it is a matter of health of our nation.
Yes, sir.
So, thanks for your participation.
Thank you, sir.
Bye then.